Take all the cans you have at home and stick them with hot melt glue. Stick a white stick in the middle. The lid is also done. Stick a few more layers of sticks on top to make cream. Cut off the excess and stick it with hot melt glue. Be careful, it's hot. Fold the lid. It takes about 12 sticks, depending on the size of the can and the size of the stick you made. Fold the 2 sticks for times. The outside circle is full of milk white. Add red. Fold a small triangle. The candle is done. Make some sweet strawberries. Add a smiley face. 2 horns. It's done, isn't it easy?